and today I've got a toy review today. I've got Power Rangers Robo Knight Morpher. Woo! Yeah, I really wanted the normal one, but my dad got it me today at school. Yeah, brand new out of package. Just got it. Yeah, my dad got it today. Smith for £12. It was it's £16, but that was the standard £12 because I was looking in the catalogue and I found the Morpher book was £30 and I found Robo Morpher was £16, but now it's actually £12, so that's good. Dad can get it for £16. You know, I didn't get the other one because it's too much. I'm going to get the other one for my birthday, hopefully. Let's get on with the Morpher. I like the t-shirt in there. There's it half shut, and there's a Power Ranger holding the other one. That's the one I'm going to get for my birthday. You get these cards. Unfortunately, you only get one card with this. Not really supposed to. Anyway, let's get this open. Comes with the instructions. Read that yourself. I'll read it for this video. Well, that's a little thing that is. Turn it off because it makes noise. Yeah, let's have a look at it. I'm guessing you have to use the bout kit for the other Morpher, so a white. And you only get one card with this. It's kind of disappointing. I wish there was a other card, but yeah, it's alright. Let me open the package of the card. People got it open now. Let's have a look. Sorry. Here's the Morpher itself. Let's open it up. I'll do it with one hand here. Put it down. Turn the volume off. Let's turn the boom. Open it. That's the sound. Or does it have sound at all? Anyway, let's try the card here. Oh, yeah, it goes the other way. So, you won't be able to see it in a moment. And let's see that close it is. And it makes a sound. You didn't hear it then. You'll get it and you get the toy, people. That's pretty much all there is to it. Like we were saying in the videos of the cards, when I get a digital camera I'll do it for you guys, and well then, see you next time.